Hey everybody, 11:40, 47 seconds. Sorry for the delay. Just as people were finishing up claiming spots, I got a phone call for work. I had to finish up there. This is the final mini for the Lethal Protector books. Over here are the 14 filled spots. First place gets the first 4 in the main. Second place gets the next 2. Third place gets the final spot. Alright, let's roll our 3 dice. Hopefully the video works this time. There was a problem with the video on Mini 1, I'm pretty certain. I don't think it uploaded, so I apologize. Number is 11, so here we go. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here comes the final one, 11. Blancato gets the first 4. Zavi gets the next 2. Eric Wilkinson gets the final spot. 11:41, 46.